Can I help you?
LAFD, ma'am, we got a call about an overdose.
You must have the wrong address.
Dispatcher said they got a call from an Ellen Sexton.
That's my mom. Mama, what's wrong?
I'm dying, Julia. Cancer. Also, I may have taken something to speed up the dying process.
My God, Mama. Are you crazy?
It's in my brain, baby.
It's like an opioid overdose. Prepping naloxone.
That won't be necessary.
It's a do not resuscitate order.
Don't listen to her. Do whatever you have to do to save her.
No! You can't save me.
Why the hell did you call 911 if you didn't want help?
I called them for you, so you wouldn't be alone when I go.